Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the reason is 5 questions. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the politics section. They are asking about the. Let's see the question here. Both the elected and nominated member of the state legislative assembly elect the members of Rajya Sabha. So the question is like that. जो elected member है, nominated member है, that are present in state legislative assembly elect the member. It means that it takes the part in the election of the Rajya Sabha. Second question is like that. चलो आपको ये क्वेश्चन बताना है कि राज्य सभा के इलेक्शन का जो प्रोसीजर है वो हमने कहाँ से लिया है. सेकंड इज ओपन बैलेट वोटिंग इज ओनली यूज फॉर द इलेक्शन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ राज्य सभा. सो देर इज अ 2 or 3 टाइप ऑफ बैलेट वोटिंग होता है जिसमें ओपन इज़ वन ऑफ देम एंड सेकंड इज़ अ सीक्रेट. एंड जो हम अपना एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी वोट दे के आते हैं तो वो हमारा सीक्रेट होता है. क्या आप ये बताना है कि जो ओपन बैलेट वोटिंग है ओनली यूज्ड फॉर द इलेक्शन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ द राज्यसभा. थर्ड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेटमेंट इज देयर. Number third, the retiring member of Rajya Sabha are not eligible for the re-election. So these are the correct option. First, second, both second, third, 4, 8, first, second, and third. I again repeat the question. Consider the following statement regarding the Rajya Sabha. Number first, both the elected and nominated member of the state legislative assembly elect the member of the Rajya Sabha. First statement is said like that. Second is the open ballot voting is only used for the election of the member of the Rajya Sabha. Number third, the retiring member जो राज्य सभा के हैं are not eligible for the re-election and option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the ancient history. Let's see the question. With reference to the ancient history of India, the term Nishakha, Satmana and Krishnala refer to the different types of number first political organization, second coins, number third swells, number fourth Vedic text. I again repeat the question. With reference to the ancient history of India, the term Nishakha, Satnama and Krishnalala refers to the different type of political organization. Second is coin, number third is swells, number fourth is Vedic text. Let's see the next question. Next question again repeat to the history second. They're asking about the European counterpart. Okay, compared to the European counterpart, British were able to retain territorial control over Indian trade. You know very well, Portugal, French, Dutch, Netherlands people come there in Indian subcontinent. But what is the reason behind why British are retain their territorial control over the Indian subcontinent or the Indian territory? Which of the following factor facilitated British domination in India? Number first statement is said like the greater autonomy to the East India Company as it is the private organization. Is it they have more autonomy? Number second, better infrastructure that they are built because they are invested in the R&D. Number third, early advantage of the industrial revolution because the industrial revolution occurred in first place at UK, so they have a comparative higher advantages. Number fourth, use of the debt market by British to fund its war expenses. So these are the option, and option are first, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, fourth, first and fourth. I again repeat the question. Question is very good. Compared to the European counterpart, British were able to retain the territorial control over Indian territory. Which are the following reason for it? Number first, the greater autonomy. Second is the better naval infrastructure. Number third is the early advantage of the industrial revolution. Number fourth is the use of the debt market by the British to fund its the war expenses. And the option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the science and tech, in which they are asking, but in the context of science and tech, which of the following method use the electromagnetic wave? You know very well, light is made and propagate in the electromagnetic radiation. And for example, the various scope of this is the gamma radiation, X-ray, infrared, UV radiation, like that, right? Okay, which of the following in the context of science and technology, with the following detecting method use electromagnetic wave. तो किस तरीके से हम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स को डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं? बट द वे क्या हम रडार का, सोनार का, लिडार का यूज़ कर सकते हैं? तो ऑप्शन आर दी सेकंड थर्ड, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, फर्स्ट सेकंड. Okay, these are the option. I again repeat the question. In the context of science and technology, which of the following detecting method use electromagnetic waves? Number first is the radar, sonar, lidar, and option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question, that is fifth question, I think so. That is related to the current affairs section. Let's see. Recently, State of Education Report for India 2020 was released, which focuses on highlighting progress and achievement, describing the intense ongoing activity around the technical and vocational education training. You know very well, Indian government are much more focused on the vocation and the training education, so that the employment they can be generated in much higher way. As per the State of the Education Report for India 2020, जो क्या उसने highlight किया है in the field of the technical and vocational education, outline the direction for the future growth. किस तरीके से हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020. द रिपोर्ट वाज पब्लिश्ड बाय, तो ये which of the following organization this report is published? That is the State of Education Report for 2020, that is UNESCO, Niti Aayog, Ministry of Education and World Bank. I again repeat the question. Recently, the Education Report for India 2020 released that focuses on the technical and vocational training education through outlining the direction of the future growth. Though the implementation of the new education policy 2020, the report was published by which of the following organization? Let's see the answer to the first question. Both the elected and nominated member of the state legislature elect the member of Rajya Sabha. I think that is absolutely incorrect, right? And open ballot, that is correct. Earlier it is a secret ballot, but now it is a open ballot. Number 3, the retiring member of Rajya Sabha are not eligible for re-election. That is wrong, because they are eligible for re-election. You can take the example of the Dr. Manmohan Singh. They are elected. First they are nominated, second they are elected. Let's see the third, and where he is elected from. He is elected from Assam. 3 is not correct, because 1/3 of Rajya Sabha member will retire every year. Their seat are filled up by the fresh election and presidential nomination at the beginning of the every third year. The retiring member are eligible. So the retiring member are eligible for re-election and re-nomination any member of time. So that is the provision that are given in the Indian Constitution. First statement, if you are talking about that are incorrect, let's see. First statement is not correct, because Article 80 Clause 4 of the Indian Constitution provides that the member of the Rajya Sabha shall be elected by the elected member of the state legislature through the system of the proportional representation by the means of the single transferable vote. So the way of doing election is the single transferable vote and proportional representation method is used here. The electoral college for the National Capital Territory of India consists of the elected member of the Legislative Assembly of Delhi, and that of the Puducherry consists of the elected member of the Puducherry Legislature. So there is a 2 provision extra given in the election of the Rajya Sabha, where the people of, or you can say the Union Territory of Delhi and Puducherry take part in. Second is correct. What is the second statement? Open ballot, that is correct, because let's see. Open ballot voting applies for the election to council of a state. Every political party which has its member as MLA can appoint an authorized agent to verify as to whom its member have voted. The authorized agent will be seated inside the polling station in a seat provided the returning officer. In the case of the MLA who are member of the, you can see here, I have better explanation, but you do remember this fact. Let's see the next question. With reference to the ancient history of India, Nishakha, Satnama and Krishnala are a type of a coins. Let's see the explanation. The economic activity during the Vedic period witnessed the trade as a major activity at that point of time, and why initially the barter system was used, later on coins are used as a media of exchange in large transactions, because the trade is enhanced at that point of time. The coins which were in circulation at that time are called Nishaka, so Sumanta and Krishnala. So I can repeat the question. What is it? Nishaka, Satnama and Krishnala are a type of coin that are circulated during the Vedic period time. Let's see the next question. Compared to the European counterpart, British were able to retain, I think all are correct here that are given. Let's see, all are correct. I again repeat the question, you get a better understanding. Greater autonomy to East India Company. Whenever we compare it with the counterpart of the British in India, that is the French. French industrial people are directed from the French government. There is a much higher red tapeism at that point of time. They have कुछ भी मंगाना होता था तो सरकार से परमिशन लेनी पड़ती, लेकिन ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की जो सिचुएशन है that is different from the various counterpart that are sent by the Europeans at that point of time to manage British in Indian subcontinent. Second, better naval infrastructure, that is the correct, because the revolution they have higher R&D and they have a higher and superior naval infrastructure at that point of time. Early stage of the industrial revolution, yes, England see the industrial revolution at a very early age, so it is quite important for them, and they have a comparative higher advantage to other nation as compared to the British. Number 4, they use the debt market by the Britishers so that they have enough money for they can earn from R&D. Of all the European nation who carries as a trader to India after new sea route were discovered, England emerged as the most powerful and successful by the end of the 18th century. The major factor which can be attributed by the number first, the structure and the nature of the trading commodities. मतलब कौन उसको स्ट्रक्चर था, कैसा नेचर था कम्युनिटीज़ का जो ट्रेड कर रही थी, जो राज कर रही थी बेसिकली. द कंपनीज वाज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर whose members were elected annually. Thus, the British East India Company was more autonomous in structure and functioning. But if you are talking about the French company, the monarchical held more than 60% of the share and director were nominated by him. So it is them. They found that tapeism much higher as compared to the Britisher. Battle naval exercise, Royal Navy of Britain was not only the largest but was the most advanced of its time. They were able to defeat Portuguese and French due to the strong and fast movement of naval ship. Early advantage of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution started in England in the early 18th century and helped England to maintain its hegemony. Next, the use of debt market. What is its advantage? Britain adopted innovative means to raise funds through the bonds for financing the war expenses. So it has a quite new innovation in the terms in the case of Britishers. They promised lucrative returns to the investor. Bank of England was set to sell government bonds. Other reasons were less zeal to spread Christianity among British merchants, better military skills and discipline among British defense forces than stable government in Britain. Let's see the next question. Which of the following technology, I think first and third is correct here. Yes, first and third is correct. Let's see the here question. In the context of science and technology, which of the following detecting use the electromagnetic waves? तो radar and lidar use कर सकते हैं. What is it? Lidar is nothing but a light detection and ranging. It is an active mode sensing technology that uses optical measurement of scattered light to find distances. Second, third is correct, as light is an electromagnetic wave. Radio detection and ranging is a detection system that uses radio waves so that they can determine the range, angle, velocity of object, and many ballistic missile uses radar technology. Sound sonar, this method of remote sensing is echo of a sound wave which turn them landscape. Sound wave are not electromagnetic wave, so we can say that it is incorrect. Let's see the next question. State of Education Report for India is released by UNESCO. To remember this fact, it is just a fact. State of Education Report 2020 Technical and Vocational and Training was released by the UNESCO. Hence, first statement is the correct. The report focuses on the TVET. What is it? Technical and Vocational Education and Training that aims to support India, which has already announced skill. It focus highlighting progress and achievement in describing the intense ongoing activity through TVET provision, outlining the direction for the future growth through the implementation of the new education policy. It highlighted the vision for quality DVET, which also include India's new national education policy requiring all education institutions so they can integrate. Let's see the revisionary point of the 91st anniversary of the Dandi March that celebrated 12th March to 6th April in 1930s. Let's see the provision there. What had happened? Prime Minister of India flagged off a symbolic foot march, that is the Padyatra, marking the 91st century anniversary of the Dandi March led by the Mahatma Gandhi. The Dandi March, popularly known as the Salt Satyagraha, also was started on 12th March 1930. Padyatri was also completed 24 days, which were travelling 386 km on the same route. So what is the significance of the Salt Satyagraha in Indian independence movement? Number first, why salt was chosen as the central formula? This question already asked in the mains examination of the UPSC, so do remember this fact. Number first reason is 11 demand. Gandhiji presented 11 demand to the British government before the CDM in 1930. Only this demand was to abolish the state salt tax and government salt monopoly. Thus, 1882 Salt Act gave the British a monopoly for collection and manufacture of the salt. So that is quite important to remember this fact, the Salt Act of 1882. In the words of Gandhiji, next to air and water, salt is perhaps the greatest necessity of life. You know very well in our blood also. I think 74% to sustain, to ecotonic solution to maintain it in the blood. It has presence. For example, in the form of the sodium, potassium and chloride form. So salt is present in our blood. The most common in human poll tax the ingenuity of the man can devise. With no positive response from the government, Gandhi decided to make salt the central formula for CDM. Launch of the government, मतलब कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? जो 11 डिमांड गांधी जी ने रखी थी, वहाँ से हमारा CDM मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो गया था कि अगर मतलब ब्रिटिशर ने नहीं मानी ये डिमांड तो गांधी जी ये जो है सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह कर दिया जाएगा, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ होगा, CDM स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. लेकिन बाद में सॉल्ट का एक फोकल थीम बनाया. उनका ये मानना था कि पानी और हेयर के बाद जो नेक्स्ट चीज़ नेसेसिटी है ह्यूमन की वो एक सॉल्ट है, तो इसकी वजह से ये सब चीज़ किया. On April 12, 1930 क्या हुआ था? Along with the ashramists and thousands of people marched from the Sabarmati ashram in Ahmedabad through the village of Gujarat for 240 miles. You know very well. April 6 जब खत्म हुआ था ये मार्च, Gandhi reached the coast of Dandi March and broke the salt law by providing salt by sea water. What is the spread of the salt disobedience? कहाँ पे salt disobedience फैला था? Number first, defense of the salt law was started all over the country, so that is quite important. The progress of the march was reported widely in the newspaper, so that is the great significance. For example, Tamil Nadu C. Gopalachari led march from Tripoli to Vendrianam. So अब याद रखना, C. Gopalachari थे, उन्होंने जो है स्वतंत्रता पार्टी की भी स्थापना की थी after defected from the Congress at that point of time after the British has gone. Next, if you are talking Malabar, Kekalappa had marched from Calicut to Polianar. If you are talking about the Assam, Satyagrahi walked from Silchar to Nokhali to make the salt. In Andhra Pradesh, camp set a different district at headquarters of Salt Satyagraha. What is its impact? Violation of the rule of law was seen as a symbol of the Indian resolution at that time after the 1930s. So it is the great significance for Indian to give British them as a dominion status. It displays the power of Satyagraha as a tool of the self-reliance. It launched the CDM movement all over the country. और इसमें हुआ क्या था? बाइकट किया गया था फॉरेन क्लॉथ का, लिकर का, पोस्ट, गवर्नमेंट पोस्ट एक्सेट्रा। कई जगह पे ऐसा भी देखा गया है कि वहाँ पे जो टैक्स देने उन्हें नहीं चाहा, टैक्स को भी डिफाई कर दिया गया था ताकि एक सक्सेस माना जाए। बिकम मास मूवमेंट विद द पार्टिसिपेशन सेवरल सेक्शन ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, वुमेन, स्टूडेंट, मुस्लिम, ट्रेडर, ट्राइबल एंड पीजेंट are all together participated, although Muslim and business class at that point of time not much as active as in case of the non-corporation movement. It shook up the British government and proved to be the most significant organized movement. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं क्योंकि जो कांग्रेस की जो कमेटी थी, दे आर एट ग्रेटर मैच्योरिटी के पीरियड पे वो पहुंच चुकी थी, तो उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल स्टांस उन्होंने कर करके रखा कि उनकी जो एक इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइजेशन है उनके आईएन से वो स्टार्ट हो गया। उसका रिजल्ट इस मूवमेंट में हम देख सकते हैं। और ये जो है मनोबल बढ़ाता है हमारे इंडियन कम्युनिटीज़ का जो आईएनसी में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे और तोड़ते हैं ब्रिटिशर्स का। Resulted into Gandhi had been packed to put up an end to CDM. In return, Indian were allowed to make salt for domestic use. So बाद में क्या हुआ कि जो ब्रिटिशर ने ये जो है हमें अधिकार दे दिया गया कि हम साल्ट अपना बना सकते हैं और उसको यूज़ भी किया जा सकता है खुद के पर्पज़ के लिए, लेकिन जो कमर्शियल पर्पज़ वहाँ पे जो है इसको नहीं रखा गया था। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट डिविजनरी पॉइंट, डेट इज़ द जापान फुगुका, द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट पावरफुल सुपर कंप्यूटर ये बना है। लेट्स सी द थिंग्स अबाउट इट। फुगुका इज द वर्ल्ड फास्टेस्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर डेवलप्ड इन जापान। डू रिमेंबर दिस फैक्ट इटसेल्फ। जापानीज गवर्नमेंट साइंटिफिक इंस्टीट्यूट Research Institute, that is RICON, in collaboration with the Fukuoka Limited, started the development of Fukuoka in 2014. It means that it started to make it in 2014 itself, and 2021 it completed. Initially, it was developed by the Japan High Performing Computing Infrastructure. In April 2020, it was tested particularly in project to combat COVID-19 pandemic. So it is quite important for them to, if they wanted to combat COVID-19, it used this computer. It is now capable of being used for discovering new drug, fighting climate change, and studying COVID-19. So it has a great importance. It will help to realize the Japan government vision of an ultra smart society of 5.0, a safe and healthy society with disaster mitigation and better energy use. What are the features and advantages of all these things? First is the name Fugaku, आफ्टर द अल्टरनेटिव नेम फॉर द जापान माउंट फुजी। फुजी से ही जो फगाकू का नाम निकला गया, ये एक अल्टरनेटिव नाम है जापान में। तो इसका है कि इंपॉर्टेंस अपनी ज्योग्राफी को फैलाने का एक जापान का एक अच्छा माध्यम है, और जितना वो मजबूत है वो कंपेयर मेटाफोर एंड पर्सोनिफाई कर रहे हैं कि जो फगाकू कंप्यूटर है वो इक्विवेलेंट उतना ही मजबूत है जितना फुजी जो एक वोल्केनो है, कहाँ पे, जापान में, इसके इक्विवेलेंट है। फुगाकू जो है कैपेबल है हैंडलिंग 442 पेटाफ्लॉप वर्थ ऑफ ऑपरेशन एंड कैरिंग आउट हाई रेजोल्यूशन, लार्ज स्केल एंड लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन सिमुलेशन। इट कैन परफॉर्म क्वाड्रिलियन कंप्यूटेशन पर सेकंड। तो क्वाड्रिमिलियन जैसे हमने मिलियन सुना होगा, ट्रिलियन सुना होगा, देन आता है क्वाड्रिलियन computation per second. It boards up to 100 times for the application performance of the K super computer and predecessor जो कमीशन किया गया 2000। मतलब क्या है कि ये 100 टाइम्स उससे ज़्यादा फास्टेस्ट है, उससे ज़्यादा मोर स्टेबल है एज कम्पेयर टू 2019 के कंप्यूटर डाटा द प्रीडेसेसर द फगाकू itself. Fugaku topped the top 500 list of supercomputer benchmark index in 2020. It is called the first world fastest computer carrying out 2.8 times more calculation per second than IBM Summit system, which stood second in the top 500 list. Fugaku has a great scope in scientific simulation and artificial intelligence application. Japan has developed an AI model so that they can predict unexpected tsunami flooding in real time. You know very well the location of the Japan where they have under the ring of fire where the volcanic activity and tidal tsunami are at the great frequent wave, so that they can use in this type of things, and they wanted to make the society of Japan as 5.0 and utilizing the large scale high speed performance of Fugaku. Japan is using the supercomputer to test the efficiency of the existing drug against COVID-19. It can help in mitigating the transmission of the virus spread through droplet analysis. It can trace the behavior of the coronavirus. It can produce high level result to solve problems like early detection of the disease, accurate prediction and natural disaster. So it is quite important for the Japan and in particular and world for in general. The supercomputer help the machine or achieve cancer gene analysis also less than a day. It can help establish a new cancer therapies also, making of the drug also. It is expected to create a new material for next generation fuel cell, help to answer how the universe was created. So it can use in space in a very much higher way, and it can be used in where space technology, that is JAXA. Designed to be an easy to run in second and ordinary PC to make it the wide accessible to research from all the sector. लेट्स सी द आई ऑफ साइक्लोन। क्या होता है आई ऑफ साइक्लोन में? क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था जो अक्टूबर 2020 में यूपीएससी का हुआ था, एक जो पेपर हुआ था उसमें एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, आई ऑफ द साइक्लोन हैज़ एबनॉर्मली हाई टेम्परेचर, लेकिन उसमें 10 डिग्री लिखा गया था कि ये जो है 10 डिग्री ज़्यादा होता है, बट इतना भी नहीं होता, यस एबनॉर्मली हाई होते हैं, ओके 3 और 5 ठीक है। एंड लोवेस्ट प्रेशर इज फाउंड एट आई। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वेयर एंटीक्लीन एंड सिंक्लीन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इंट्रूसिव मेंटल का स्ट्रक्चर देखा अर्थ के अंदर, तो उस तरीके से जो लावा पाया जाता है इस तरीके से पाया जाता है, दिस टाइप, राइट। जो ये ऊपर वाला है ना, इसको हम एंटीक्लीन बोलते हैं, जो नीचे वाला है इसको हम सिंक्लीन बोलते हैं, राइट। यही बोला गया था, कन्वेक्स फोल्ड इन रॉक इज कॉल्ड एंक्लीन एंड डाउनफोल्ड जो फोल्ड है रॉक के अंदर वो सिंक्लीन बोला जाता है। इमेजिनरी लाइन जो द हाइस्ट पॉइंट अलोंग द इज कॉल्ड द क्रस्ट लाइन। जो एंटीक्लाइन और सिंक्लाइन को जोड़ती है उस लाइन को बोला जाता है क्या, जस्ट अ मिनट, दैट इज द क्रस्ट लाइन। क्रस्ट लाइन उसको बोला जाता है, रिमेंबर रखना इस बात को। इग्नीशियस रॉक एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक। फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रेनाइट जो है एक इग्नीशियस रॉक्स है एंड उसका मेटामॉर्फिक यू नो वेरी वेल। इग्नीशियस के बाद क्या आता है, सेडिमेंट। सेडिमेंट की हम बात नहीं करें लेकिन मेटामॉर्फिक की बात करें। ग्रेनाइट का है जेनेसिस एंड गब्रो का है सरपेंटिन। गब्रो सरपेंटिन, याद रखिएगा इस पॉइंट को, क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चे आपके लिए। नेक्स्ट है इग्नीशियस रॉक एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक। अगैन यहाँ पे सेडिमेंट्री रॉक का जिक्र नहीं है। ग्रेनाइट है, जेनेसिस आई ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट, गब्रू, सरपेंटाइन। सिनेटाइट का है सिरेंटाइट, जेनेसिस। बेसाल्ट का एसिस, ये याद रखना क्योंकि जो हमारा पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू है वो भी बेसाल्ट का बना हुआ है। बिटुमिनस कोल इफ ऑटो क्या बनता है, उससे ग्राफाइट बनता है। यू नो वेरी कोल की 4 कैटेगरी होती है। पहला होता है पीट, देन होता है लिग्नाइट, देन होता है आपका बिटुमिनस, देन एंथ्रासाइट। बिटुमिनस से आपका ग्राफाइट बनता है, याद रखिएगा। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट थिंग। लाइमस्टोन सेडिमेंट्री एंड मेटामॉर्फिक में आता है। लाइमस्टोन जो है एक सेडिमेंट्री रॉक है जिसमें लाइमस्टोन जो है इसकी सेडिमेंट्री फॉर्म है, मार्बल जो है इसकी मेटामॉर्फिक फॉर्म है। सैंडस्टोन अगैन क्वार्ट्जाइट, ये आप याद रखिएगा। एंड शेल और जो स्लेट भी बोला जाता है, क्ले को स्लेट में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, फिलाइट एंड सिचाइस्ट, राइट। कोल जो है डायमंड में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है। क्वार्ट्जाइट इज द हार्ड नॉन फॉइलेटेड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक, ये याद रखिएगा, एक उस टाइप की रॉक है। बात करें टाइप ऑफ रॉक, ओरिजिनल रॉक, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रेनाइट, जेनेसिस, इग्नीशियस में बता ही चुकी। बेसाल्ट जो है इग्नीशियस है, बेसाल्ट सिस्ट भी आप यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं। सेडिमेंट्री रॉक की फैटो मतलब लाइमस्टोन है, लाइमस्टोन से मार्बल, कोल से ग्राफाइट कोल, सैंडस्टोन से क्वार्ट्जाइट एंड शेल क्ले या फिर स्लेट मिका से चिस्ट बनाया जा सकता है, और ये एक सेडिमेंट्री का एग्जाम्पल है। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट थिंग। नासा ने लॉन्च किया फर्स्ट एवर इनसाइट मिशन टू एक्सप्लोर द डीपर इंटीरियर ऑफ द मार्स, याद रखिएगा इस बात को, बस इतना ही इसके लिए काफ़ी है। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट थिंग। नेक्स्ट जो है यहाँ के इंपॉर्टेंट मेजर वोल्केनो जो वर्ल्ड में पाए जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल ओजोस डेल सेल्वाडा अर्जेंटीना, चिली, मेको टापाक्सी इक्वाडोर, डू रिमेंबर दिस फैक्ट, चिम्ब्रो जो इक्वाडोर। चलिए इसको हम कल करते हैं। बाय दिस वी आर एंडिंग द